In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your cryptocurrency for cash using Crypto.com. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to offload some of your portfolio, or you're simply looking to convert your digital assets back into fiat, Crypto.com offers an easy and efficient way to do this. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Crypto.com homepage. It's important to have your account set up and ready for transactions. Make sure you've logged in with your credentials securely. Once you're on the home page, the first thing to do is locate the wallet icon. This icon is crucial as it acts as your gateway to managing your digital currencies. After clicking the wallet icon, your next move is to select the trade option. This is where you can buy, sell, and exchange different cryptocurrencies. Now, you may see various options available on the trading page, but since we're focusing on selling for cash today, go ahead and click on Sell. At this stage, it's worth mentioning that you'll need to have some cryptocurrency in your account to proceed with a sale. If you haven't acquired any yet, you'll first need to click on Buy Crypto within the platform. Choose your desired cryptocurrency and follow the prompts to make a purchase. Once that's done, you'll be ready to move on with selling it. Next up, you need to add a payment method to be able to cash out the proceeds of your sale. Click on Add Payment Method and follow the steps to link your bank account. This will allow you to receive funds directly into your bank account once the transaction is complete. Ensure that you are entering accurate banking details to avoid any issues later on. Now it's time to manage your payment details. Head over to Card Details and review the information you've provided. Updating card details and making sure everything is accurate is an essential step for smooth transactions. Finally, return to the Sell section. Review the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, the amount, and the account details to ensure everything is correct. When you're ready, hit Sell to complete the transaction. The funds should appear in your linked account shortly after, and there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to sell your crypto for cash using Crypto.com. Remember, it's always important to double-check every detail when dealing with financial transactions. Make sure that your bank account is correctly linked and that you're selling the correct amount and type of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your selling process a breeze. Feel free to explore other features that Crypto.com has to offer, and happy trading.